Encountering the dreaded server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. Fear not, hero, we're here to guide you through some potential fixes. Let's start with the basics. Fully close Marvel Rivals and then relaunch it. This can often resolve temporary connection glitches. If a simple restart doesn't do the trick, try flushing your DNS. Type CMD in the Windows search bar to find the command prompt. In the command prompt window, carefully type config/flush DNS and press enter. This will clear your DNS cache. Another potential solution involves resetting your network adapter. Locate your active network adapter in your network settings. Right-click on the adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable. This will reset your connection. If the problem persists, try lowering your graphics settings within Marvel Rivals. High settings can sometimes strain your connection. As a last resort, consider using a game booster program. These can optimize your system and network for a smoother gaming experience, potentially resolving connection issues.